Hello, English learner. We speak English together, slowly, clearly, and with fun. This story will help you speak. We use short and easy lines. Let's enjoy English with real life. Don't just watch, speak with me. Like, subscribe, and speak daily. Comment, ring the bell, and share it with the world. Let's start together.
Jack and Emma live in a small house. They are a happy couple. They love each other. They have 2 babies. Lily is 3 years old. Max is 1 year old. The house is not big, but it is full of love. Jack works in a small shop. Emma stays at home with the babies. In the morning, Jack makes tea. Emma makes breakfast. Lily helps her mom. Max plays with his toy car. Emma sings songs. Lily dances. Max claps his hands. Everyone laughs. It is Monday. Jack goes to work. Emma is with Lily and Max. They eat cereal. They drink milk. Then Emma says, "Let's clean the house." Lily picks up her toys. Emma sweeps the floor. Max crawls around happily. After cleaning, they go outside. There is a small garden. Lily waters the plants. Max touches the flowers. A butterfly flies by. Lily shouts, "Look, Mommy." Emma smiles. "Wow, that's so pretty." At 11 a.m., it's snack time. Emma cuts an apple. Lily eats a banana. Max has baby crackers. They sit on the floor. They talk and laugh. Emma says, "What sound does a cat make?" Lily says, "Meow, meow." Max tries to say, "Meow." Everyone laughs. Then they read a book. Emma reads slowly. Lily looks at the pictures. Max turns the pages. It's 1 p.m., nap time. Max is sleepy. Emma sings a lullaby. Max sleeps in his crib. Lily lies in her bed. Emma tells a short story. Lily closes her eyes. Soon she sleeps too. Emma takes a deep breath. She drinks tea. She looks at her babies. "I love them so much," she whispers. At 5 p.m., Jack comes home. "Daddy." Lily runs to him. Jack hugs her. He kisses Max. He smiles at Emma. "How was your day?" he asks. Emma says, "Very good." The house is clean. The kids are happy. Jack plays with the kids. They laugh and jump. He lifts Max in the air. Max giggles. They eat dinner together. Emma made pasta. Jack says, "Yum." Lily says, "Mommy is the best cook." Emma laughs. After dinner, they all sit on the couch. Emma reads a bedtime book. Jack makes funny voices. The kids laugh and clap. They brush their teeth. They wear soft pajamas. Emma hugs Lily. Jack hugs Max. "Good night," they say. Lily says, "I love you, Mommy." Max says, "Data?" Emma feels warm inside. It's Saturday morning. No work today. Jack makes pancakes. Lily helps stir. Max makes a mess. They plan a fun day. "Let's go to the park," says Emma. "Yes." Lily jumps. Max claps. They pack snacks. They wear cap. They take a ball and a mat. At the park, sit on the grass. Lily runs, Max crawls. Jack plays catch with Lily. Emma holds Max and smiles. One day it rains. They stay inside. Emma says, "It's play games." Lily says, "Yes, Mommy." They play hide and seek. Lily hides behind the couch. Jack pretends he can't find her. "Where is Lily?" he asks. Lily giggles. "Boo." She jumps out. Max claps and laughs. Then they draw pictures. They use crayons. Lily draws a sun. Max draws lines. Emma puts the pictures on the wall. "Beautiful," says Jack. It's Lily's birthday. She is 4 now. Emma bakes a cake. Lily wears a pink dress. Max wears a bow tie. They sing happy birthday. Lily blows out the candles. Jack gives her a doll. Emma gives her a book. Lily hugs them. She says, "It's a happy night." The little home is full of joy. Time goes fast. Max starts walking. Lily learns new words. Emma teaches them songs. Jack reads books at night. They take small trips. To the zoo. To the lake. To Grandma's house. They take photos. They make memories. They laugh. They cry. They grow. But one thing never changes, their love for each other. One morning, Max looks at Emma. He says, "Mama, I love you." Emma stops. Tears come to her eyes. She smiles big. Lily claps her hands. "Max can talk now," she says. Jack hugs Max. "You are growing fast, little guy." They feel proud. They feel happy. Such small words, but such big feelings. The air becomes cool. Leaves turn orange and yellow. Emma gives the kids warm coats. Jack rakes the yard. Lily jumps in the leaf piles. Max runs behind her. He falls down and laughs. Emma makes hot cocoa. They sit together on a soft blanket. Jack tells a story. Lily listens with wide eyes. Max sits in Emma's lap. A cozy family moment. It's Halloween night. Lily is a fairy. Max is a baby pumpkin. Emma wears a witch hat. Jack is a funny ghost. They go trick-or-treating. Lily says, "Trick or treat!" People smile and give candy. Max waves at everyone. Back home, they count the candy. Lily shares with Max. Emma says, "Sharing is love." Max hugs Lily. "Love?" he says. Snow falls outside. The house is warm. They decorate the tree. Lily puts a star on top. Max helps with shiny balls. They make cookies. Emma sings soft songs. Jack wraps gifts. Lily draws a card for Santa. On Christmas morning, they open gifts together. Lily gets a dollhouse. Max gets a train. But the best gift is love. Jack says, "Our family is the real gift." One day, Max gets a cold. He sneezes and feels weak. Emma holds him close. She gives him soup. Lily gives him her teddy bear. "Feel better soon, Max," she says. Jack reads him a story. Max sleeps a lot. He feels better in 2 days. The family is happy again. Love heals fast. Lily wants a pet. Emma says, "Maybe a small one." Jack brings a kitten home. Lily shouts, "It's so cute." Max says, "Cat?" They name her Snowy. Snowy sleeps in Lily's bed. She plays with Max's toys. Now the house is full of fun mows. One sunny day, they pack food, sandwiches, juice cookies. They drive to the park. They spread a blanket. Max runs after butterflies. Lily feeds birds. Emma takes photos. They laugh, play, and rest. Jack says, "Let's do this often." Everyone agrees. Nature and family a perfect day. Lily wears a backpack. She is ready for school. Emma gives her lunch. Jack kisses her forehead. Max waves bye-bye. Lily walks in with a smile. Emma feels proud and a little sad. At home, Max misses Lily. He points to her toys. Emma says, "She'll be home soon." When Lily returns, Max hugs her. They play and laugh again. Emma and Jack plan a dinner. Lily and Max sleep early. They light candles. They eat together. They talk, smile, and remember. "Life was hard," Jack says. "But now it's sweet," Emma says. They laugh softly. They sip tea. Even parents need love time. That's what makes a family strong. Years pass. Max learns to ride a bike. Lily learns to write stories. Emma starts painting. Jack opens his own shop. Their house is still small, but their hearts are big. They help neighbors. They share joy. Emma writes in her diary, "We don't have much money, but we have something better. We have love, peace, and each other." Jack reads it and smiles. "You wrote our life," he says.